Stop everything you're doing and watch this. I'm about to turn this single static pose into a complete, physics-perfect walking animation in under 30 seconds using nothing but AI. That just happened. No keyframes, no hours of timing adjustments, no fighting with curves, just artificial intelligence understanding human movement better than most animators. Cascadeur 2025.1 just dropped and the animation community is losing its mind. This free software now has AI that creates entire animation sequences from single poses, and I'm about to show you exactly why this changes everything about how animation works. Stick around because what you're about to see is going to blow your mind. Let's be honest about animation for a second. Creating realistic character movement has always been this weird combination of art, science, and pure stubbornness. You spend years learning the principles, understanding timing and spacing, studying reference footage, and even then, creating a simple walking cycle can take an entire day if you want it to look good. This is where Cascadeur 2025.1 completely changes the game. The centerpiece feature is called in-betweening, and it's not just some fancy tweening tool. This is artificial intelligence that actually understands how human bodies move. When I say understands, I mean it really gets it. This AI has been trained on massive amounts of motion capture data from professional performers. It knows that when you walk, your hips rotate slightly with each step. It understands that your arms naturally swing opposite to your legs for balance. It knows how weight shifts from heel to toe during each footfall. Cascadeur is positioning itself as the universal animation hub that works with everything in your pipeline. The enhanced Blender integration provides improved workflows for the massive Blender community. DAZ 3D compatibility opens up character pipeline integration for content creators. GLTF and GLB support make it perfect for web and game development. The upgraded FBX import preserves more data for better compatibility with other software. When you compare Cascadeur to traditional animation software, the advantages are staggering. Maya and 3ds Max cost between $1,500 to $3,000 per year, require months of learning, have no built-in AI assistance, and need complex setups for physics integration. The roadmap for Cascadeur includes expanded AI datasets covering more movement types, real-time collaboration features for team projects, advanced physics simulation options for complex scenarios, and integration with emerging platforms like VR, AR, and metaverse applications. But the really exciting part is what this enables for creators. We're moving toward a future where your creative vision is the only limitation, not your technical skills or the size of your team. Imagine being able to create full animated short films as a solo creator. Picture indie game developers prototyping complex character interactions in minutes instead of months. Think about the animated content that will emerge when anyone with a story to tell has access to professional quality animation tools. Cascadeur 2025.1 represents the moment when AI-assisted animation became genuinely useful, not just experimental. The technology is mature, the results are professional quality, and the price is right, completely free. The future of animation just arrived, and it's available for download today. The only question is, what are you going to create with it?